my channel and a very warm welcome to my Next Door Diva series. So I'm back with the series because I had a very strong reason to come back. I came across a person who's a very close friend of mine and I felt that she's the correct contender of this moment for my series. My friend's name is Shweta Sharma and currently she is suffering through coronavirus. Her husband and her father-in-law are infected and gladly her kids and mother-in-law are still in safer zone. Shweta is somebody who is indeed a multifaceted personality, a doting mother of two, a working woman, and she's working with IBM since past 6-7 years now almost, and currently she's designated as a project manager, a poetess by passion and a traveler, so much so that she has a gang of women with whom she travels almost every month, and the gang's name is Ja Simran Ja, like Jeele Apni Zindagi. So that positivity she has, and today when she's currently infected with corona, how she's handling it makes her even more of a diva because of the kind of situation she is in, isolated in her own house, and still she's handling herself so beautifully, running the show in her house and with her kids and in-laws. I really felt I should bring this in my series. So let's go and meet her, let's understand her side of story, and that's where I interviewed her for my Diva series. Let's go.
Hey friends, as I just mentioned, I am going to introduce my friend to you. So she is Shweta, my dear darling fighter, and she's fighting corona right now, and let's hear from her how has been her experience and how is she dealing with it. So Shweta, what were your initial symptoms where you started feeling that you should get a test done?
Well, first of all, I think I am asymptomatic. It's not something that I really had any corona symptom or something. As per the verdicts from 4 or 5 doctors that I've already spoken with, as per them, this looks to be the viral fever that I initially got. And because of 1 or 2 instances wherein I would have had an outbreak wherein because my immunity was low and I got it. Before that, it was all continuous that it was a viral fever. And there were doubts coming by. After about 2 weeks, I realized that I wasn't able to feel any smell. I mean, I was making some besan ka halwa, I remember, and generally a good cook, what does happen is with the fragrance you get to know, okay, this is the right time to indulge into water or whatever it is.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I couldn't have any smell. And that's when it first struck, okay, there's something going wrong. I immediately rushed to my bedroom and captured the Vicks VapoRub ka dabba. I tried inhaling.
Got it.
There was no smell. And I was like, okay, this is it. We did the test and realized that myself, my husband and my father-in-law, 3 of us were corona
All
positive.
of you.
Yeah.
Of course, with the family, it's always said, you jam, pai jam.
I can't deny the fact the first time we had this report in hand, I really collapsed. I mean, I really had a good breakdown. I felt like, what is happening here? Is this something that, that's a fear that has developed, that this is something that you were always running away from.
True.
I do not want to catch this. So more,
True.
I felt like more I was running away because I was pretty conscious all through the while. We had never stepped out in 3 months. We have never done any venture. In fact, my mom, who lives very close by to my house, I ensured that not even a single visit happens to her. Us catching this virus was something, a shocking thing. How did we? That's when doctors said that you guys need to be optimistic because you guys have already through with the crucial period. We didn't ever get our test done because, as you know, the reports come 2 days after. We didn't want to take any chance and we got my father-in-law admitted. I remember that night, okay, wherein I was sure that I'm going to isolate myself completely. That is, all of us keep ourselves separated from each other. I remember that night, it was horrible. It was so horrendous. I felt like something is stuck here. It's all that psychologically, you know, you have that thing that something is stuck
Right.
here, and it's just going to take you away. But hang on, if doctor is saying it is going to take some time, just give it some time.
And so, for all the viewers watching, what are the recommendations from the doctor in terms of food you're consuming, the liquids you're intaking? What is that you've been recommended?
Or it is COVID. It is going to be 5 set of things that is going to fall in place. One is your antibiotics. The antibiotics at some Pentocid or radium or something like that you're going to get. Probiotics or vitamins, multivitamins and stuff like that. Many people would have gone through many things what they have to do. I will talk about the thing they shouldn't do. I really feel that these days the university, as we call it, through WhatsApp or any social media, whatever it is, you get to hear a lot. Because when I had it, I felt when people said garam pani, that is only going to work. Steam, that is the only thing which is going to work. Or kadas, the kadas from A, B, C, D. And yeah, so that's when my doctor said, listen lady, I think you got fever is also because you got ulcers there maybe. We can't come and check, but there are not many patients
Oh
who are
my
coming
God.
forward because of all these things that they've overindulged, they've got ulcers developed. And you said, what is my experience?
Overconsumption of kadas is also not recommended, is what you're saying,
Absolutely.
right?
Kadas or garam pani. Garam is not really needed because A, you are already on the antibiotics, which is already very, it's already garam. B, the hot weather outside, if you're in Delhi, like me, it's already terrible.
Absolutely.
So
Right.
this
Yeah,
is where
yeah.
you have to put your intelligence and see what you're doing.
Daily meals are like what?
Regular homemade food, fresh food. The dabba service is done by our parents. That's what we
By
are
your
relying
mom.
on. So much of superpowers working for me right now. Doorstep. There are many neighbors who came forward and did this kind of delivery to us also, as well as my
Lovely.
parents and everyone. And those who were not able to, the kind of blessings, the kind of good wishes that they were, passing on, the positivity. You're one of them. I don't have to go really far for that. You're one of them.
It's so nice. I feel this conversation is also making you feel live right now because
It is.
not being well takes a toll on emotional and mental health also.
It is.
So how are you dealing with that? That's my next question actually.
You're not able to, your body doesn't allow you to get up. Your mind says just sleep or do nothing. Well, I can't deny during the initial few days when we got our test reports, I was constantly on call for about 17 hours, record breaking. I was on phone call because I had to do everything through my phone, do all the coordination that I needed because I am the attendant now of my father-in-law who's in hospital through a phone, or even for that matter, call up my kids on the upper floor and tell them, please kids, have your food. The food is already being placed, now you need to go and pick it up. And
Oh
get it
my
prepared.
God.
And the only thing I think a woman has to take a break. She just has to take a break. She just has to switch off all these kind of things. And yeah, how to deal with it? I would say it's on person to person. Lockdown time, it is unstoppable. So every day 2 o'clock we have a group group call happening, about 8 to 10 people coming over and doing Hanuman Chalisa and Rudra Abhishek and many other things, and we just surrender ourselves and every day they say, okay, this is for Shweta's father-in-law who is hospitalized, so all the prayers are going to be only for them.
Yes.
Yeah, it is about
Being blessed.
diverting your mind, as I feel whenever you are
True.
in mess, you just need to distance your brain from that problem, think about something else. Right now I have a book here, if you can see. So whenever I have some stem, look into something else.
That's the message.
More you're distant about your problems, more you will be able to think around it better. Sometimes I feel whenever I feel I have a lot of things running in my brain, I just want to pen it down.
After we finish with this interaction, there'll be her poem coming out, and you guys must listen to it, give it an ear, and do write in comments how you find it. We have a quick rapid fire round of a few questions. Quick questions and quite interesting questions.
Okay.
Because now is the time we realize that how precious is our life. My question is to you, what is the one thing you want to do after you recover?
Absolutely, because that's something which I'm craving like mad. Have you seen Lion
You
King?
might have thought about it, I'm so sure.
Have you seen Lion
Yes,
King?
I have.
Have you seen when
Yes, I have.
this cub is getting brushed by the mom's nose every time? So I want to do that.
Right.
I want to do that to my kid.
Oh,
I want to
oh
tickle
my
his
God.
cheeks with my lashes, which I normally do. You know, I just go back,
Oh my
put
God.
my eyes close to his cheeks, and just put, I just give him a tickle through my lashes. So that's a different kind of feeling that he
Adorable.
always says. I just want to
My God.
cuddle them
This
with.
could only be a mama's answer. The second question is, one thing you want to do post Corona totally goes away.
Big chill fan. I want to go to that restaurant and hog on to that pasta. Salads coming my way.
I'm with you. Next question. One thing you want to eat after recovering.
Answered something to drink. I have the sore throat, and because of medicine I have this
Right.
bad taste coming up. So every
Right.
time I was telling my
Right.
husband, I feel like I should hog on to that ginger ale and Pepsi bottle lying up there. I just
Oh
want
my
to
God.
gulp it, thanda karke, chill karke, and that's something that I
Handa,
do.
exactly. My fourth question is, what is the adventure you would like to venture out for after you totally recover and Corona is gone?
I think to answer that, I would just want to go back and just lay myself under the nature. That's it. I just want to see nature, mountains, just these things and nothing else. Pick me there, pick me and drop me there. That's what I want.
Bang on. Lovely. I could never have believed that it will be such a cheesy ending towards the conversation, because you're passing so much inspiration and positivity that I began with a little bit of it, but I have got opened up and I am feeling very positive. You are one such person who's just passing optimism and optimism.
I have learned from my mom, especially. I would want to give it to her because, sometime back when I broke down, as I told you, there were a few friends who had made some calls to me, and one of them said, "That's Neetu, you know her also," and she made a point. She said, "Why are you doing this? I mean, you have auntie there who is a cancer survivor. Has she ever said there's something going wrong with her body? So that was cancer and this is Corona. What are you dealing with? You just need to tell your brain, tune yourself well." I said, "Yeah, that's it. You've said what I wanted to hear." Yeah,
Great words.
great words.
So, one last message I was going to ask you, what would you like to give to people?
Family is something that stands by you during your thick and thins. Value that. Value your people. Value the time that you are into, because it is here for some reasons. Just put your brain on those thoughts. Once everything is sorted, once everything is over, what are the new joys and celebrations that you're going to get into? Put your brains to work on those aspects and everything will work the way you want.
Great message, Shweta. It was amazing interacting with you. Thank you so much for your time,
Thank you,
especially
Shani.
at this fragile phase of your life. We so much wish you all recover and throw Corona out of your house totally.
Thank you. Made
Thank
my
you so much for
dream
your
come
time.
true. I was hoping, when am I going to ever do this kind of interview ever in my life? So,
And as I told you, been sometime, probably because of COVID, I haven't been able to, of course, go and meet women around and make my Diva series.
yeah.
So you have given a kickstart to my Diva series again. Thank you so much. Though the reason should have been something better, but I think this is the way it was supposed to be.
This is the way it was supposed
So,
to
so much appreciated.
be. Great.
God bless you. Get well soon. Big cheers to our Shredni.
Thank you, darling. Thank you.
एक वार्तालाप कोरोना के साथ। हाँ, मेरा रुकना आज जो मुझे ज़रूरी हो गया, यह मत समझ कि काम तेरा पूरा हो गया। तेरी औकात का शायद तुझे कुछ अभिमान है, तेरी औकात का शायद तुझे कुछ अभिमान है। अब मुझसे सुन, ये पूर्ण विराम नहीं, यह बस थोड़ा विश्राम है। देख एक आगाज़ पर झुंड मेरा आ गया, देख एक आगाज़ पर झुंड मेरा आ गया। सहमे बैठे थे जब थे अकेले, और तूने सोचा तू डरा गया। कोई ईश्वर को मना, कोई दूर खड़ा फिर भी काम मेरे सब कर रहा है। कोई ईश्वर को मना, कोई दूर खड़ा फिर भी काम मेरे सब कर रहा है। क्या खेल रचाया है तूने, हाँ, क्या खेल रचाया था तूने और सब अपनों को मिलने से विफल किया। नालायक, क्या तेरा कुछ आत्मसम्मान है। हाँ, तोड़ दी है तूने कमर मेरी, पर याद रख वो 14 दिन तेरे थे, पासा अब पलट गया। हाँ, तोड़ दी है कमर तूने मेरी, पर याद रख वो 14 दिन तेरे थे, पासा अब पलट गया। तूने बहुत नचाया हमको, अब तेरा धकेले जाने का वक्त आ गया। टूटा सिर्फ शरीर होगा, टूटा सिर्फ शरीर होगा, हौसला अंदर खूब भरा है। मेरी सेना ने संभाल लिया मुझे, और तूने सोचा हमें अलग करना इतना आसान है। इतिहास गवाह है, इतिहास गवाह है, हर बार चुनौतियाँ दे ईश्वर मुझे कुछ और ऊपर करता गया। हर बार चुनौतियाँ दे ईश्वर मुझे कुछ और ऊपर करता गया। सच्चाई सुन मुझसे तू, सच्चाई सुन मुझसे तू, ये मेरे लिए ही तुझे भी एक मौका भी दे गया। बस 2 कदम पीछे हो गए हैं क्योंकि समय बड़ा बलवान है। बस 2 कदम, सिर्फ 2 कदम पीछे हो गए हैं क्योंकि समय बड़ा बलवान है। कल तेरा था, अब कल मेरा होगा, और मेरा आज ये पूर्ण विराम नहीं, ये बस थोड़ा विश्राम है।
हाँ, ये बस थोड़ा विश्राम है। Thank you so much for a beautiful poem, Shweta. A girl who is a true daddy's daughter, a girl who very deeply believes that her family is her strength, the pillar of her life, and equally invests back into love, emotions. A true woman of substance who knows how to balance her work and life balance, and someone who's still very adventurous and takes that time out to go out and adventure life with friends and family, is my dear friend and today's diva, Shweta. Hey, Ishani signing off, and I thank you all for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel and become a part of Ishani Kamra Lifestyle Vlogs. If you still haven't, just press the bell icons and you will start receiving all the notifications. Stay safe, stay connected and stay blessed. Bye bye.